Students, today we are going to discuss about spearman's rank correlation if the ranks are repeated. Already we have discussed when the ranks are not repeated, we have used the formula 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared divided by n into n squared minus 1. If the ranks are repeated, there is a little bit change in the formula, that is 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared plus f divided by n into n squared minus 1. And this f is equal to m cube minus m divided by 12. M is nothing but number of times the ranks are repeated. So here in the formula, even we can have it, that may be confusing you, like 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared plus m cube minus m divided by 12 plus m cube minus m divided by 12, like that it may be repeated, divided by n into n squared minus 1. Now let us discuss with an example. Here the scores of biochemistry and biostatistics of 5 students I have. So that is biochemistry score 60, 70, 80, 90, 90. Here 90, 90 two times repeated. So now let us assign ranks for this course. So 90, 90, since it is 2 times it is repeated, what we have to do, we are supposed to give 90 rank 1. Normally, and for 90, another 90 also we may give rank 1. But here statistically we are not supposed to give same ranks. So for that we have a method, rank 1 and rank 2. Both we have to add, that is 3, and divided by 2 times, since it is repeated we have to divide it by 2, that is 1.5. So let us assign rank 1.5, 1.5 for both ranks. Now we have to continue with the third rank, 3, 4, 5. So this is what the method we have to assign the ranks. Now let us assign ranks for biostatistics. So here 3 students have scored 90, 90, 90. So here 3 times it is repeated. So here what we have to do, so rank 1, 2, 3. Actually we are supposed to give 1 for all these 3, but we are not supposed to give in that way. So what we have to do, since 3 times it has been repeated, so 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 6. 3 times it is repeated, so it is divided by 3 equal to 2. So what we have to do, we have to assign 2, 2 for, there is no first rank in this case. So the ranks are starting from 2 only. So then we have to continue with 4th rank and 5th rank. So this is what the way we have to assign ranks. So after assigning the ranks, usually as we make the calculation using the previous rank method, let us see the difference between the ranks. 5 and 5, 0, 4 and 4, 0, 3 and 2, 1, 1.5 and 2 it is 0.5, 1.5 and 2 it is 0.5. Let us do d squared, 0, 0, 1, 0.25, 0.25. So now we have to, in the formula sigma d squared is there. So let us calculate, let us sum up all this. So 1 plus 0.25, 0.25 it is 1.5. So this is sigma d squared. So let us assign these values in the formula. So let us write the formula once again. 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared plus f divided by n into n squared minus 1. When the ranks are repeated, we have to have a factor, that is m cube minus m divided by 12. This is what the factor. So now let us assign 1 minus 6 into sigma d squared, we have 1.5. Now let us calculate f. So we have m cube minus m divided by 12. So here, since the rank is repeated 2 times, so our m is 2. So 2 power 3 minus 2. It is 2 times it is repeated, divided by 12. So 2 power 3 is, you know very well, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 8. 8 minus 12 divided by, 2 minus divided by 12. That is 6 by 12, 1 by 2. So here we will have 1 by 2. And again we have to add in the biostatistics ranks, since it is repeated 3 times. So here our formula m cube minus m divided by 12. So here m is equal to 3. So 3 cube minus 3 divided by 12. So 3 cube you know very well, that is 27 minus 3 divided by 12. 27 minus 3 is 24 divided by 12, that is 2. So let us add 2 here. So if sometimes in any other situation, if the ranks are repeated 4 times or any other ranks repeated twice, means another 1 by 2, another if 3 times repeated, another 2, like that we have to add, irrespective of biochemistry or biostatistics or whichever thing, we have to continuously we have to add according to the number of ranks repeated. It is not the value of the ranks, it is the number of times it is repeated, that is what m is. So now our denominator is over. Now let us see the numerator is over. Now let us see the denominator. Our n is 5 observations, so n is equal to 5. So n is 5 into 5 squared minus 1. 1 minus 6 into, let us add all this, 1.5, half is 0.5 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 we have, divided by 5 into 5 squared minus 1. 5 is 5, 5 squared you know, 5 into 5, that is 25 minus 1. 1 minus 6 fours are 24, divided by 5 into 25 minus 1 is 24. So now what we can do, it is, since both 24s are there, it is easy for us to calculate. 1 minus 1 by 5. So 1 minus 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. So our answer is 0.8. So the conclusion is same as we conclude in all correlation. So correlation always it is from minus 0 plus 1. This is what the continuum. So since it falls between, it is, so you can see it is 0.8. So 0.8 falls between 0 to plus 1. So our correlation is positive correlation. So that too, it is 0.8 means 0.75 to plus 1, it is very high degree of positive correlation between biochemistry and biostatistics scores of 5 students in the class. So this is what the conclusion you are supposed to write. I hope you understood. Thank you. Any doubts? Let us discuss in WhatsApp group. Thank you.